Okay, the answer is well, this device holds fair amount of importance to me because it bridges the geographical boundaries between my current life in Rajshahi and my close-knit family back in Chapanabagons. Without it, I would feel utterly disconnected from my loved ones. Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. I am also fine. Today I am here to discuss about a useful electronic device that you use frequently. I will answer 4 questions and however my first question is what the device is. মানে হচ্ছে ডিভাইসটা কি? Okay, the answer is without a shadow of a doubt the most indispensable electronic device in my daily life is my smartphone. It is sleek dark blue model equipped with an advanced processor and a high resolution camera which practically acts as my portable pocket computer. Okay, and my second question is how long you have been using it? মানে হচ্ছে আপনি এটা কতদিন থেকে ব্যবহার করছেন? Well, the answer is I have been using this ultimate particular device. I have been using this particular device for approximately 2 years right now. It was gifted to me right before I moved from my native village to Rajshahi city to pursue my higher studies and to attend classes at mentors. Okay, and my third question is what you use it for? মানে আপনি এটা কোন কাজে ব্যবহার করেন? Well, the answer is I utilize it for a myriad of purposes. বিভিন্ন উদ্দেশ্যে ব্যবহার করি। Primarily প্রথমত as an undergraduate student at Rajshahi College. It serves as a digital library where I access all my social work, academic textbook and research journals also. Furthermore, it has become a vital tool to sharpening my English language proficiency and as I heavily rely on it to download educational applications and practice my spoken fluency also. Lastly, it is a vital tool for capturing stunning sunset at the Podda River bank. Okay, and my last question is explain why this device is so important to you. মানে এই ডিভাইসটা তোমার কাছে কেন এতটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এটা তুমি এক্সপ্লেইন করো। Okay, the answer is well, this device holds fair amount of importance to me because it bridges the geographical boundaries between my current life in Rajshahi and my close-knit family back in Chapanabagons. Without it, I would feel utterly disconnected from my loved ones. Moreover, it effectively streamlines both my college studies and my IELTS preparation, making it an absolute cornerstone of my academic journey and my personal growth. That's all. So number today, see you on another video with a new topic, and don't forget like and follow me too. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.